I'm going to show you how to save seed from cruciferous vegetables. The word cruciferous comes from the Latin meaning flowers that are shaped like a cross. These plants are very healthy, very beneficial. An easy way to kind of remember their health benefits is that for those of you who may know, the cross is, the blood of Jesus cleanses us, cleanses our blood. Well, all cruciferous or cross-shaped flowered vegetation in the vegetables will cleanse your blood. It's a detoxifier. So they're very, very, very good for you. They won't do any harm, but they will definitely do a lot of good for your blood, your organs, your entire body. And this is going to be basically your dark leafy greens, things like kale, collard greens, mustard greens, cabbages, broccolis, Brussels sprouts, things like that. You have to let them come past when you would normally harvest them. When it starts to warm up a little bit, they're going to bolt. Let's make flowers, and then you're going to have to catch the seeds. So I'm going to get you a little bit of a close-up so you can see the process. And many of them will actually produce these little bean-looking things that you can harvest to collect seeds from. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Some of your cruciferous vegetables, like this is a broccoli, for example, as they grow, the bolt will begin to produce, the flowers will begin to produce these little tiny green bean looking things. That's where your seed pods are going to be. So you want to let that come to full term and dry up. And then you just pick them and put them in a bag and shake, and all the seeds are going to come out, and you collect them like that. Some won't. Some of your things, your lettuces and so forth, will actually just make flowers, which when they dry, you put the whole flower in a bag and shake. And your seeds are going to come out of that. Things that make bulbs. See, this is a bolting green onion. You can collect seed from these flower heads the same way. When they go to seed, put them in a bag and shake, and the seed will come out. But it's a lot easier, faster, and more productive to just save the bulb because it's a bulbing plant. And in which case, you just let it finish go into seed, pull the whole thing up, cut the greens off, and keep them as green onions, and put the seed out to dry, the bulb, and just keep it for the next season. You replant each piece of the bulb because it's going to have like garlic, like little cloves. You separate them, and then each end piece you can replant, and it will cluster to make a whole new cluster.